Hello, how's it going? Today we are talking all about how to photograph our paintings. So let's get started. Step 1 is you want to find a blank, neutral colored wall that you can hang your painting on. And if you're not going to be using studio lights, then find a wall that's facing a window with natural light. And step 2, you want to use a rag or a cloth and just dust your painting lightly. Step 3, grab a level if you have it and just ensure that your painting is straight. And a couple tips, it's best to photograph your artwork before varnishing if possible. And also, if you're using oils, wait a day or two after you're finished painting, just so the paint dries a little bit and there's less texture. Step 4, if you're using studio lights, make sure they are the same height and also the same distance from the painting. Also, I like to point them where they're almost facing each other and they're just barely crossing over the painting. If you face them towards the painting, there's going to be a glare and more shadow. So it's better if you kind of just barely cross the painting and almost face the lights towards each other. Step 5, set up your camera directly facing the middle of your painting. My camera and tripod both have a level built in so I can see that they're also even. So just make sure that your camera is straight, everything is level and just lined up with the middle of the painting. And these are the settings that I use on my camera. Manual, and I do RAW with JPEG. Neutral color. Auto white balance. I do auto ISO. For shutter speed, I keep mine at 1/50. I have my aperture on the lowest f-stop. It's usually around like 4 or 5. And step 6, you're going to take your photos. Edit them as needed for your website, social media, prints, or anything else. And you are good to go. Good luck out there photographing your artwork. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all the places. And I'm wishing you a great day. Happy painting.